Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today we will implement the new questions that is reverse numbers, given numbers in Java. To implement this, what are the logics you need? Let me explain first. What actually question is saying is, let's suppose here you have a 1, 2, 3, 4. This 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to convert it as a output of 4, 3, 2, 1. To achieve this, if you watched my previous videos, you have to know that sum of digit is what are you doing here? Sum plus equals to num percentile 10 and num equals to num divided by 10. The logic is same, is like to same, but little bit of change here, change in the reverse number. So let me remove this. Okay. So first of all, we need some variables, that is a int num is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the our numbers. Also, you have to need a reverse int. You have to store in the one variables, that is a reverse is equal to 0 is our initial value of reverse is 0 or default value is 0. Also, you need a one more that is a reminder to store the reminder of your variables is equal to 0. Reminder means like 1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever you are dividing to 10, whatever the remainder you will get, like uh, whatever that is called the reminders. Uh, Let me implement the logic while num is not equal to 0. Okay, this is the our conditions. Inside of this first conditions, what you need reminder is equal to num percentile 10. What they were doing, they were storing uh, reminders. Reminder means, let me give you the example, like this is a uh, reminder. Okay, uh, let's take one variables, reverse. Okay, the reminder percentile, uh, not reminder, your number now, number reminder 10. Okay, okay, 10. Uh, what is happening? Okay, this is the uh, our reminder. This out SYS for UT. This out rev. Okay, because run this program. See, you will get the 4 is a reminder of your last number. This is the way of working out. This is just example to understand what is the reminder. So inside of this, the second logic is after reminder, you have to need a reverse. Reverse. Inside of reverse, you have to reverse your number. Reverse into 10 plus reminder. So first time is as you can see here, reverse have a 0 is a default value of 0. What is happening? First of all, reminder is equal to term percentile 10. It will give you the first value is first iteration. It will give you the value of 4. Okay, this is the 4. That 4, what they were doing here, let me 4 is our reverse value into 10. So 10 into 4 is equal to 40 plus no, no, no. The reverse have a initial value of 0. 0 into 10. You will get the 10. 0. 0 and the plus reminder here now. So what is the reminder? We have a 4. 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. 4 is our first reminder, first reverse values. Okay. You will get this 4 here now. That is the first. Next time what will happen? This is the first step. Second step, you have a 4 now. So here 4 is the reverse. This is the reverse now. The 4 is reverse. Then into 10. So into 10. 10 into 4, what will you get? 40. So the 40 is values. Then 40 plus reminders. So reminders we have a 4, not 4. The second reminder is 3. Okay, this is 3. So 3. 40 plus 3, what you will get? 43. 43. Second time, third step, the same thing happened. 43 into 10. So 430 something, no? 430, I think. 430. Uh, Let me. Okay, you will get here 430. Our third reminder is uh, sorry, 1, 2, 3. So the third reminder is 2. Okay, so 430 plus 2. What you are getting? Values here are 4, 3, 2. And the same thing repeated in the fourth step. Then you will get the 4, 3, 2, 1. This is your reverse value. This is the way of your programming working. So after this, what also need num divide by 10, uh, num divide equal to 10. So what they were doing now, every time they will remove the one values. So first time you will get 4 now, that 4 will be removed. Second time, then the 3 will be removed, then 2 will be removed, then 1 will be removed. So this is for that you need a num divided by equal to 10. After this, done. Nothing to do. Just sys out uh, reverse number plus reverse reverse. Run this program. As you can see here, you will get the reverse number 4, 3, 2, 1. If you have, let's suppose 5 also, don't worry about it. It will work fine. Reverse number is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the way of this program is working. So first step, second step. Okay. Thank you for watching Tech Unbox with Anas.